Smart contracts are significant for your application. A smart contract is where you code your blockchain's application business logic. Smart contracts are Turing complete, meaning that you can code anything. You can mimic any real-life contracts. Smart contracts typically gives a developer a lot of flexibility to code. They may also be prone to errors or bumps, which are enormous from a cybersecurity standpoint. That's why before deploying smart contracts to the blockchain, you need to have additional code reviews, testing, and additional penetration testing. Basically, smart contract is a piece of code that self-executes if you have certain conditions met. And there are many use cases for smart contracts like distributed cloud storage, property deals, insurance, security trades and settlement, decentralized exchange, and many more. A good thing about smart contract is that they are self-executing, they are immutable, and they are transparent because they're deployed on blockchain. The most well-known blockchain is Ethereum blockchain. Blockchain seems to be the ideal technology for online voting, or at least a better method than the postal voting we saw as a huge mess during the 2020 presidential, right? Another use case that you will most likely know about is NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, or just call it a crypto collectible. NFTs are not something that started a few years ago. If you're counting from the idea became public, then NFTs began in 2014 with the name of quantum collectibles. Non-fungible assets are unique because they differ in value and properties. Units of non-fungible assets cannot be valued as another unit of the same asset. For instance, they are not mutually interchangeable. They are often rare and scarce, hence they tend to be highly valued by collectors. Ethereum blockchain has two different token standards, the ERC20 for fungible tokens and the ERC721 for non-fungible tokens. To deploy these, you need to create smart contracts, and these smart contracts should be deployed to Ethereum blockchain. Primarily, NFT creators utilize ERC721, and if it's compatible with other blockchains, you can deploy it to other networks too. Okay, you might be asking, why the these NFTs are worth millions of dollars? Who on the earth buys these pixelized images for like $1 million? Well, NFTs you can see as a digital certificate of ownership of that asset. It says like you own these digital assets in the network. In a real world, for instance, we have the most compelling art pictures owned by someone rich, and they have a document that says this original art belongs to this person and so on. It is hard to say or identify the asset owner in digital world because there might be millions of copies of it. So with these NFTs, you can prove the ownership of that image, video, audio, or any other digital file. Yes, you can make copies of that one image and sell them thousands of others on the network, but eventually there's a marking that says this special asset is owned by this person or so. As a geek or nerd, this blockchain technology is the future, and learning about it will be, of course, beneficial.